Hi everyone, today I'm going to take you on a journey through a beautiful experience I had, one that involved a long flight, mesmerizing sunsets, luxurious accommodation, exotic food, and a unique adventure. So sit back, relax, and let me share with you my unforgettable stay at the Royalton Riviera Splash Hotel in Cancun, Mexico. Let's start with the journey. I flew from Barcelona to Cancun via Amsterdam with KLM. The flight was smooth, and although the food was decent, the highlight was definitely the view from the window. As we soared above the clouds, I could see the vast expanse of ocean below, with a soft sunset tightening the sky in hues of purple and orange. It was breathtaking. After arriving in Cancun, I took a shuttle transfer provided by Nexus, a company that also happens to own the Royalton Riviera Splash Hotels. The ride was only about 30 minutes, but the scenic views along the way made the short journey feel like a mini adventure. As we approached the hotel, the sun was just about to set, painting the sky in a palette of purples and pinks. It was the perfect welcome to a tropical paradise. Once arriving at the hotel, I checked in at the reception, where I was given a bracelet, your key to accessing everything. It was a simple yet convenient system. The room number was 19604, a cool little detail I learned about it. 19 referred to the block unit, 6 to the floor, 04 was the actual room number. And when I entered the room, I was stunned by the space. It was huge. Two king-size beds, comfortable air conditioner, and a fan mounted on the ceiling. The design was sleek and modern, but the real charm was the view. I had a sea view balcony that was absolutely incredible. I could sit out there, sip my drink, and watch the waves roll in under the warm sun, or look out over the horizon at the sunset in the evening. The bathroom was enormous with a rain shower and a bathtub. It was a kind of place you would want to spend time in. The amenities were more than enough for two people, and the toiletries included soap, toothpaste, and even a little sewing kit with needles and colored threads. The bed was exceptionally comfortable, which made getting up every day a little harder, but once I did, there was always something special to look forward to. One of my favorite parts of the experience was the constant sense of relaxation and peace. The housekeeping team did a fantastic job of keeping everything neat and tidy. And get this, every time I returned to my room, the same song would be playing. It was a song I ended up associating with the hotel, and now every time I hear it, I'm transported back to the beautiful views of the hotel's private beach and pools. Speaking about the beach, the sand at the Royalton Riviera Splash is one of the things that really stands out. It's white and soft, and what's really special is that it's made from natural corals, which means it doesn't get too hot under the sun. I found it to be such a pleasant texture, so smooth and soft between my toes. For breakfast, I would make my way to the main restaurant, a huge open space with a vast selection of food. There was something for every taste, but my favorite was an omelette with chopped bell peppers and onions, paired with a freshly made smoothie. And let me tell you, I accidentally stumbled upon a hidden gem in the corners of the restaurant. They make smoothies to order, with a huge variety of fruits and extras. It was like discovering my own personal smoothie bar every morning. After breakfast, I would head to the beach to watch the sunrise. It would start around 19 past 7 am, precise and stunning. The beach was beautiful, and the temperature of the water was perfect. It was warm and inviting, almost like swimming in a giant pool. but with the added bonus of a gorgeous ocean view. The water was also so comfortable to swim in, just like the pools at the hotel. One of the coolest things I discovered were the iguanas. These fascinating creatures would come out during the day to bask in the sun, and I couldn't resist capturing a video to send to my kids. They were so surprised. They even asked me to take a close-up video so they could see these magnificent creatures up close. Apparently, iguanas are quite common in the area, and while they may look intimidating, I found them to be harmless and just enjoying the sunshine. After a long day of indulging in food and drinks, I found myself heading to bed early. Not because I wasn't having fun, but because the jet lag was still hitting me hard. But even then, there were always exciting shows and entertainment to keep you entertained. The music, dancing, performances were enough to lift your spirits. As I reflect on the week I spent at the Royalton Riviera Splash, it's easy to say that this resort is a perfect destination for team building events, family vacations, weddings, or any special occasion. The stunning views, the amazing food, the friendly staff, and the beautiful wildlife all make for an unforgettable experience. Even after coming back to Barcelona, I still find myself thinking about the warm sunsets, the peaceful moments on the beach, and the catchy room songs that keeps playing in my head. In conclusion, if you are looking for a place where you can truly unwind, explore, and experience a slice of paradise, I highly recommend the Royalton Rivera Splash Hotel. It's an experience you won't forget. Thank you.